Spray slip solution across the panel and go over it with your squeegee to get rid of any last-minute debris. Spray slip again everywhere except the left edge. You want that to be dry so it'll stick while you do the reverse roll method. Peel the corner of the PPF off the backing paper, place it on the dry area on the right edge, then peel as you roll the piece out. Protect the bottom as you roll so it doesn't fall. This does not have to be a perfect fit right now. You're just placing it in the general area. Now that that's laid, go back and spray slip underneath and on top of the film, making sure it's moving easily. Flatten everything out and get rid of big bubbles. Let's start by aligning the left corner just inside the edge. Use your palm to move it in place, rather than pulling it by the corner. Squeegee down. Then, align the bottom left corner and squeegee that entire edge in place. Align the top edge up to the body line. Hold it in place with one hand while squeegeeing to the body line with the other. Do a double take, spraying slip and squeegeeing the area again. Do the same for the right side. Now we have the middle left. Make sure there's enough slip on top and underneath the PPF so that it moves easily. Hold the middle in place where it aligns right inside the top edge. Squeegee the top edge. Then, squeegee from the top down, pushing the remaining water out of the bottom. Do a double take. Wipe down with a microfiber and inspect to make sure that there's no bubbles or misalignments. Now is the time to fix those if you have any. When it's good, spray tack in all edges and squeegee to seal. Wipe down with a microfiber.